everyone, welcome to Shandong Longza machine. Today we are loading an disc wood chipper to Sri Lanka. Behind me you can see the complete unit of this disc chipper. This chipper with an 6 meters input conveyor, and 3 meters discharge conveyor, and 10 meters output conveyor. This wood chipper fit with a 90 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for this machine is 5 to 10 ton per hour. This machine is suitable for round log cutting, and the maximum wood log diameter is less than 25 centimeters. Inside this disc chipper, it fits with 6 flying knives. It can cut the wood log to small pieces, like 1 to 2 centimeters. Okay.